Here's just a quick video to showcase the power of compounded growth. Let's just assume that you've got $100 to start with and you have the magic power of creating a 10% daily compounded growth. So 10% a day, that means $10 in the beginning. You're able to create that every single day. Now my question to you is, how many days would it take you to have $1,100 total? So again, you're starting with $100, you're getting 10% a day. In the beginning, that's $10 a day. How long would it take you to add an extra 1,000 for a total of $1,100? You might think the answer is 100 days because you start with 100, you generate $10 a day times 100, 100 times 10, that's 1,000. So $1,000 generated plus the 100 would equal 1,100, right? It would be 100 days. Well, that would actually be wrong. The correct answer is only 25 days, and that's because of the power of compounding earnings. So take a look here. This is just to show you the example. On day 0, you start with $100. After the first day, you will have $110, and the incremental growth here was $10, right? From 110 to 100. Now the next day you'd have 121 because you're calculating 10% of 110, which that is 11, and 11 plus 110 is 121. So you can see as time goes on, your incremental growth gets bigger and bigger, and by the end of day 25, you're already near the $1,100 mark because each day you're earning about $100 because it's kind of the snowball effect, right? It's 10% on a larger number. And a lot of people just don't realize this. This is massive. It allows you to retire and achieve financial independence. Now here's the graph of your total dollars versus the day. You can see in blue, this is the 10% compounded a day. It's an exponential incline. And the orange line here, this is what most people think. This would be $10 per day, but obviously your earnings are growing on top of your, earnings growing on earnings, and that's why you get this exponential shape. So hopefully that was helpful. Now you know the power of compounded growth.